If you're someone who wants to control your life, you need to hear this. Financial independence is key. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your dreams without worrying about money. That's the power of financial independence. It's not just about being rich, it's about having choices. Choices about your time, your career, and your future. When you're financially independent, you're not tied down by a job you hate. You can take risks, explore your passions, and make a real impact. This isn't about retiring early. It's about living life on your terms. It's about having the resources to support yourself and your loved ones. Financial independence gives you options. It empowers you to make decisions that align with your values. So, how do you achieve it? It starts with taking control of your finances. It starts today. Earning your own money is a game changer. It marks a significant milestone in one's life. It's not just about having cash in your pocket, it's about personal growth and development. When you work for your money, you learn its value. You understand the effort behind every dollar earned. You appreciate the hard work and dedication it takes to succeed. The late nights and early mornings become worth it. Earning money teaches you responsibility. You become accountable for your actions and decisions. You learn to manage your finances, make smart choices, and prioritize your spending, and plan for the future. Setting financial goals becomes a part of your routine. These skills are essential for success in all areas of life. They help you navigate both personal and professional challenges. Plus, having your own money gives you independence. You can make decisions without relying on others. You can buy the things you want, from essentials to luxuries, support causes you care about, and make a difference in the world. And invest in your future. Building wealth becomes a tangible goal. Earning money opens doors to new experiences. You can travel, explore different hobbies, and expand your horizons. The world becomes your playground. It's about more than just material possessions. It's about creating memories and building relationships. It's about the freedom and opportunities that come with financial security. Start earning, start growing, start living, embrace the journey. Starting your own business can be intimidating, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. The journey may seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, you can turn your dream into reality. The first step is to identify your passion. What drives you? What excites you every day? What are you good at? Think about your skills and talents. What problems can you solve? Consider how your skills can address real-world issues. Once you have an idea, it's time to validate it. Talk to potential customers, research your competition, and refine your offering. This step is crucial to ensure there's a market for your idea. Next, create a simple business plan. This will be your roadmap. It doesn't have to be complicated. Outline your target market, your product or service, your marketing strategy, and your financial projections. A clear plan will guide you through the initial stages. Then figure out the legal and logistical aspects. Choose a business structure, register your business, and ensure you comply with all regulations. And set up your finances. Proper financial management is key to sustaining your business. Don't be afraid to start small. Test your idea on a small scale, get feedback, and iterate. Use the feedback to improve your product or service. The most important thing is to take action. Start building your website, creating your products, and putting yourself out there, and connecting with potential customers. Networking is essential for growth. Remember, success takes time and effort. Stay focused, stay persistent, and keep pushing forward. And never give up on your dreams. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember the first dollar you ever earned? That moment when you held it in your hand, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment? That feeling of accomplishment is priceless. It's a moment that stays with you forever. It's a symbol of your hard work, your creativity, and your entrepreneurial spirit. It represents the beginning of your journey. Earning your first dollar is a rite of passage. It's a milestone that marks the start of your financial independence. It's a sign that you're on the right track to financial independence. It shows that your efforts are paying off. That first dollar is a powerful motivator. It inspires you to keep pushing forward, to set bigger goals. It fuels your desire to achieve more, to grow your business, and to make a real impact in the world. It's a reminder that anything is possible if you're willing to put in the work. It encourages you to keep striving, celebrate that first dollar, no matter how small it may seem. It's a significant achievement. It's a stepping stone to bigger and better things. Each dollar earned is a building block for your future. It's the foundation of your financial future. Every dollar saved and invested brings you closer to your dreams. So go out there and earn it. Make it happen. Take that first step towards your financial goals. Your future self will thank you. The journey starts with that first dollar, and the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial independence and growing your business.